Thanks, Rita. I'll keep up the running, but it's not going to be the best weekend for getting out and about, in that it'll be cold, windy, with some wintry weather around. But I just thought I'd start with some Weather Watchers pictures. These have been sent in from Oxfordshire. This is Henley-on-Thames, and you'll notice both here and as we move to Abingdon that the Thames looks quite full, overflowing its banks because we have had some high tides. But you can see some sunshine as well. That's more limited than yesterday. There's definitely more cloud on our satellite picture today, and there are, as a consequence, more showers, and it doesn't feel as warm. In fact, those showers are a little bit wintry, as you can see. This is a shot earlier as well from Cave Hill in Belfast, and we've got quite a bit of wintry weather to come today and through the weekend across eastern Scotland. So already through Highland, Grampian, Aberdeenshire, expect some snow today, and that'll creep southwards, so quite slippery through the rush hour for some. Further heavy showers for parts of Northern Ireland. More cloud across England and Wales. It's not wall-to-wall cloud, there's some sunshine as well, as we saw, but there are more showers around. They could be quite heavy near the south coast of Wales and the south of England as well, and it doesn't feel as warm just because we've more cloud. Of course, temperatures then fall away overnight, so it'll turn quite icy where we've had the showers and where they continue in the north. Look at this in the south. It does draw the eye, doesn't it? This area low pressure is something we've been concerning ourselves with for a few days now, and it could actually bring some wintry weather as well, mostly to the hills, we think, not as disruptive. But that low pressure looks set to batter parts of the Channel Islands and northern France. Some strong winds here, and we'll have a strong easterly wind, some rain with a wintry mix in. So the hills in the south could see some snow, perhaps the Chilterns and the Downs, just a dusting. But further north is where we see the snow continue. So actually quite bleak in the south because we've got that strong easterly wind, the cloud, some rain, a little bit of wintry mix. There is some sunshine further north, but for southeast Scotland, moving south into Fife, the Lothian Borders region, we could see 10, possibly more centimetres of snow falling, particularly over the hills. So that'll be a concern for Scottish fans heading off and back from Cardiff. It looks as if it could be a bit wintry there. Also looks quite wet in France for their match against Ireland. That's because we've got low pressure sinking into France. And indeed, if you follow its track, by Sunday it's sitting across Italy, which means that their match against England looks quite unsettled as well. So again, the weather's going to be an interesting part of the rugby as we go through the weekend. Back home on Sunday looks like the drier of the 2 days for England and Wales at least, but it'll still be cold, icy potentially in the morning, and that northerly wind really starts to pick up. It pushes a lot of the showers away, but again, you can see southeast Scotland and the northeast of England, it is still snowing. So that's why we're expecting the most disruptive snowfall this weekend, even though we have got some rather bleak weather in the south. So if you are travelling, you have plans this weekend, please do stay tuned to the forecast. Don't make this the last one you see, Rita.
OK, thank you, Helen. Now